In front of me is Realme 16 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you can click on those dots at the top right corners to see all available themes. When you see something you like, just click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher to turn them off or switch them on, and hit apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. To manage it, you can go back to the same section of settings, tap on it under my themes, then change your mind about key borders, hit apply. Delete it from here, mostly to get rid of the clutter because you can always download it again. Or by tapping on this plus under my themes, you can create a custom one. To do that, just tap on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background, hit done at the bottom right corner, and then adjust it. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, select next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, and hit done. Now manage key borders, and tap on apply. If you want to manage your custom theme, do exactly the same you did with your downloaded one. The only difference is when you delete this one, you won't be able to get it, you will have to remake it. But when it comes to this one, you can also make some other changes than key borders. Tap on pen icon and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!